Hello there! Yes, Three Stars Sudoku, the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 19th, 2020. This Three Stars Sudoku, yes, will be number. Let me position the camera. Camera is not. It's moving. Yes. All right. This Sudoku will be number 1570. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Previous one has 26. The 2-star Sudoku, I think this one has 25. 3 or 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 21, plus 4 is equal to 25. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then then 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in that last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see another digit. How about the number? In this last column, 3 missing numbers. There goes my alarm. Alright. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Let me mark them for you. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 6, 4, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Nine, 5. These 2 boxes. I need a 5 here. 2, 7, 7. 8 in this first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with the dot for the 1. So now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 7, 4, 6. 4, 5. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. Wait. We see here 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. 7 and 4. Yeah. The middle row, those missing numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 7. And look, we have a 5 in this big square and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 5 and the 4 in this box. The 5 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. So 1 box left should be the 7. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. We have a pair, 3 and an 8. 3 and an 8. 3 and an 8 in this row. 3 and an 8. Oh, no. Made the mistake. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. Here, the 3 goes in these two boxes. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 goes here. 7 goes there, and 6. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We have a pair. 6 in this row and the 4 in this row. We have a 6 in this row and the 4 in this row. So in that row, the 6 and the 4 in this big square goes in these two boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. And then 6, 2, and the 8 are missing. No, right. 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 6, and the 5. Yes, the third column, 3 missing numbers. The 4, the 5, and the 6. Look, we have the 5 and the 6 here, so no 5 and the 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 4. The 6 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. So in this big square, 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet, 9 and the 4. So we have a 4 in this column, in one of those two boxes. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 4. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. No, 8 we have 7. 7 is missing. 7, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers. 9, 2, and the 6. 9, 2, and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 4. No. 7 should be here. We have a pair with the 3, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4, here or there. Together with the 3, 3 and a 4. That means 8, 7, 9, and a 2. These two numbers, 3 and a 4, we have, those two should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Strange. Yes, we have a 4 here. I see we have in the middle column. I cannot place a 4 here. Cannot place 4 there. cannot place a 4 here. So one of these three must be a 4, and I need a 4 in the last row. So I need to place the 4 there. We have a 4 in one of these two boxes in this column, a 4 in one of these two boxes in this column. So I need a 4 in the last row. So the only place for the 4 should be here. Two boxes left, the 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. 3, 3, 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 6. Yes. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 9. One box left in this row. For the number 7, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so one box left for the 8 should be there. One box left in this column for the number 8. 8 is missing here. And I've eliminated the 6, so one box left for the 6 should be here. One box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And now, seven in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. One box left in the first row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. 3 stars Sudoku. Definitely a 3 stars. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And apologies, I bumped the camera. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. Yes, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.